Good morning. We're Phoenix Curations. I'm Will.
I'm Renee.
And we're here with an unboxing video for a Thredup shoebox.
We love a mystery box.
We do. So tell us about this box.
It is a true mystery because I actually stayed out of the box, which is a feat for me. We had 2 boxes. They've been sitting here for days. It's killing me. I had to put them out of sight. So there are 15 pairs of shoes in there, supposedly. Complete mystery. We paid $90 for the box, and shipping was free.
Knife.
Yes. Will's going to open that. I'm going to drink my coffee because I live on coffee.
All right. So our last box, we weren't too super thrilled about, but we'll see if I get our money back. The box before that, we did pretty good. We got more than our money back. So.
Ooh, I'm liking it already.
Oh yeah.
I am.
You can see through that tissue paper?
I can see this.
I'm just kidding. It's always covered in tissue paper. I'm not, exactly sure why, because this is not going to hold a pair of shoes anywhere. And it's just kind of tossed into the box.
It looks better than the last box.
Definitely, absolutely. Well, I'm going to pull this out because I'm looking straight at it. This is a pair of, looks brand new Birkenstocks. These are not leather, they are plastic. However, people love these, rubber. Okay, whatever you want to call it. It's not leather. But they do look like they've worn a little bit. You can see the logo is worn off in there possibly, but the bottoms look great. Doesn't look to be anywhere. There's no rock stuck in the sole. So this is a nice pair of shoes. I like that already.
Yeah, I do too. And I don't know what those would sell for because I've never...
I'm not familiar with that either.
Yeah, so here are some little fringy boots. Little booties. And we have sold fringy boots before. Different... Oh, I like that little detail in the back. And that'll give a nice curve to the back of the heel. They're not terribly worn on the bottom. There's stickers on there. They obviously came from Designer Shoe Warehouse clearance. Yeah. Size 7. And then they have some style number written there, which we'll try to get off. And let's see what brand they are. It's a nice side zip. Big Buddha. So, Big Buddha I think is decent, but they sell it at Walmart now.
Yeah.
Not shoes, but purses.
Okay.
So these do not feel like a Walmart brand. There is a mark on the heel there. I will try to hit it with a suede cleaner, see if I can brush that up. You may or may not. But either way, I think they'll sell.
Okay. So we have, this is a pair of purple suede. What do you call this style?
Interesting.
It's not Roman, but
I would call them strappy. Okay. A strappy tie-up ankle open booty.
Okay.
Let's call them an open booty with a zip back, chunky heel.
Vince Camuto.
Yeah, Vince Camuto's not bad.
And so I think that's a leather sole, so that's good.
No, I don't think so. Okay. It's a faux rubber sole.
So
it's probably a faux welt too. That probably really is not sewn.
The toes look okay. There's not a lot of super amount of wear. There's a little zipper in the back. So these will do all right, as long as the color and the style.
Yeah, I would call those Merlot or wine. They're actually kind of a plum color, but I don't think plum is a popular color.
Okay.
Oh, our favorite fast fashion brand. So these are Forever 21. Which surprisingly doesn't make terrible shoes, but they're not great either. They're not going to sell for much. It's a nice little open weave in the back and a double ankle strap. I think they're sellable. We might just take them to our local consignment. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. We have sold some Forever 21 clothes on Poshmark, but it's not. It's hit or miss, and it's definitely based on style.
Yeah, they make some cute clothes. It's just the quality is extremely variable. Sometimes it's great, and sometimes it's awful.
This is a pair of flats. These are interesting because I don't see a brand in here, or I can't read it because it's the bottom of the shoe is kind of a textured beige cloth. I can't see the brand name in there at all. I'm sure you can't see it on camera, but these have a little Mickey Mouse.
They're Disney brand.
Yeah, you can read that. I don't have my glasses on.
Well, I'm guessing, but
right. So anyway, Disney. These are a pair of Disney flats. They're not a super amount of wear on the sole. You can see that.
Yeah,
They look clean and pretty good shape. And I don't know, but I don't think we've sold any. We certainly haven't sold any Disney ballet flats before, but
I was looking to see if
we
it's
sold some. I think we
Target.
sold some kids' shoes. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll have to look these up.
Yeah, I think we have too many
Disney-
Melissas or something.
There are so many Disney levels of Disney clothes and things. It's hard to figure out what you have to do a little research to find out what they are. We usually don't sell things from the Disney partners like Target and Walmart, but we do sell things from the Disney store, and it sells pretty well. Also, the vintage Disney does pretty well.
All right, this is what I was looking at that I liked. So these are Jordans, I believe. Now, I'm going to have to look them over to see if they're real, but I recognize this as the cement colorway.
Yeah.
I don't know enough about Jordans to know what these are, if they're retros or these are a 6 youth, and they were made, usually there's a date in here, but I don't see the date. So they're made in China, so they're not like super vintage. 2004, so they're like kind of a Y2K. We do have a guy we know that specializes in Jordans, and he is going to know everything about this. So they're in super good shape.
Yeah, show them the heel. It has a little
The Jumpman.
So it has the 23 on it for Michael Jordan.
Yeah, and they feel quality, but there are definitely a bunch of fakes out there, and I do see some little wear right there around the laces, which it might just be the way they're manufactured, but
If it's real, it's a 2004 shoe. They're in good condition. They haven't been worn a whole lot.
Yeah.
Someone kept care of those and kept them in their closet.
Yeah, I think these are the actual basketball shoes. I don't think these are like the Nike Air Jordans or retros.
All right. So next thing I grabbed is a pair of running shoes, Edge Lux Bounce. I don't know anything about Bounce. Do you?
I don't. Actually,
They're not a lot of wear in the sole, which is good. They look clean. They've probably been worn as casual shoes. A little dirt on the toe here.
We can clean that off. That's not a problem.
I don't know anything about Bounce. Oh, it's Adidas.
It is Adidas,
Adidas
but
Continental. I should know that. Well, we'll see.
Well, we'll look it up. Yeah, we'll look it up. Okay, so these are a very inexpensive pair of Rocket Dogs, and these are sold at all kinds of discount places like Rack Room. But they are a cute little anchor print, so you can put them up as nautical. It looks like somebody sold them for $20 at one time because there's more marks there. Size looks to be cut out, which is obnoxious. But I can size them by putting them on and having other people put them on, and we'll figure out what they are. But they'll probably sell, not for much, not for $20.
This is a pair of American Eagle strap sandals. It's real leather. They don't appear to have been worn much. There's barely a foot imprint in the bed of the sandal. I don't know if you can even see that. The soles are a little dirty, but there's not a lot of wear at the heel or at the toe. So
we've sold leather American Eagle sandals before.
we have sold at least one pair that I remember.
Yeah, I think we put them up for between 18 and 20, and they sell between 12 and 15. That's my memory of it. Oh, these are in excellent shape, and I know what these are because I've had a pair that were not.
We're not gonna have to scrub those clean.
No, we don't have to scrub them. They're so clean. So these are Crocs, and they are the Walla style, I think.
Yeah.
And these are pretty much indestructible. They will fade over time, and they'll crease. But you can scrub these with a brush on the deck and hose them off and wear them in the barn and do it again. And they will last. And inside, they have the rubber Croc sole, which comes right out. There is a little bit of dirt in there, not a lot, but we can get that out. Not a problem. So I don't think these are bad.
Yeah, these are great.
Everybody loves Crocs.
We sell lots of Crocs. We clean lots of Crocs.
Yeah, we sure do. I've been cleaning shoes for the last 2 days because I went to the bins. So
Okay, black suede fringe. That's not fringe, that's a tassel, actually.
yeah, those are cute, really cute.
They have a zipper on the inside. They don't look to have a whole lot of wear. And
This is definitely a better box.
Jessica Simpson.
Yeah, Jessica Simpson has some quality shoes.
Yeah, they make good shoes. They're just not.
They don't resell for a ton.
No.
But these are cute.
And they look to be in good shape. So
Yeah,
we'll definitely put these up and see what they. We have sold some Jessica Simpson shoes.
We definitely
Some
have.
look good.
We definitely have. But they don't sell for as much as you'd think they would. They're sold at Kohl's. These are size 8. So too small for me. All right. Let's see what we have here. So these are some chukka boots. These look like men's to me. They are definitely in some rough shape. You can see they're all kind of stained up. I can try and get them clean. I may or may not be able to. These are something originals. Clark's originals. So I don't know what that means. I've never seen Clark's originals. I will definitely. So this says that they were size 9. I'm a size 9, but these, don't you think they're men's?
I think they're men's.
Yeah, I think they're men's. So we'll try and clean them up.
Yeah, we'll
See what we can do.
That depends on how clean we can get them, and they probably won't go for a whole lot.
Exactly.
But
This box is way better than our last box.
yes, our last box we were not impressed with at all.
We tried.
It was,
We
well,
tried
you
to be
win,
excited.
you win some and you lose some.
Yeah, and that's the
So-
thing. If you don't want to risk your money, then don't do it. Don't do it.
This is A. Giovanetti, made in Italy. Silver sandals.
So I have bought these before
Yeah.
at the bins, and they're an inexpensive brand.
Yes.
Even though they're made in Italy, even though they have an Italian name,
And it's a real cork footbed.
it is, and they're sealed but they are an inexpensive brand. So we can sell those for sure. They're cute, but not for much. So I will save that last one because it looks like the best one.
Looks like fun. Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yes.
I've never gotten these before. Wow. That is, hopefully you can see it, a Jimmy Choo shoe. And it has the little logo there on the, I forget what that tag is called. It also has the plate on the back. It is filthy, if you can see that.
It's been worn for sure.
And there definitely is some significant heel drag, which is right here. But they're Jimmy Choo. And they're kind of an army green color, which isn't bad. I think these are real.
I mean, they look like they could be. I mean, they're
Yeah.
hefty. There's this combination of suede and that patent leather look.
But feel the suede and the quality of the rubber.
I would think so.
Yeah.
If you look at some of the lace holes, have a little star on them there at the top and at the down toward the toe.
Wow.
Well, fun.
I
Let's
thought
check
that
these out.
pair was
These
the
will be
best.
fun. No, these. It's a good shoe. The lace here has a pick on it. We'll have to clean those up. I'm gonna put my money on those are real.
Me too.
But they
Me
are
too.
pretty worn, and we'll see.
Yeah, that heel drag is
That's
the
great.
killer for me. I mean, that's the problem. The rest of it is pretty good.
Okay, so what she was looking at was a pair of cowboy boots. They have some tassels here, a little turquoise star. I'll take a look.
A leather boots. Oh, they may not be real leather. Are they real
Zodiac,
leather?
yeah, it's leather. There's a
It
brand
is?
Zodiac, which I'm not terribly familiar with.
Yeah, I don't
they
know
have a
anything
little
about
detail
Zodiac.
here in the front.
I don't see a size.
The little detail is a piece of metal. There's some wear. These are very soft leather. This one has some damage there.
These are made in the USA, so that's awesome. They're
I'm
leather
not-
sole.
We usually look for things like Tony Lama,
Yeah.
Ariat, some of those mid-price boots. We get a lot of Justin. I can't.
There's no
see
size
that
in there.
inside. It's black. There's on the inside. There's some snazzy looking fabric. I don't know. You can't really see it, but the inside is black. You can't see down inside. So we'll have to find out about these boots. We'll see. It's a real leather heel.
Yeah, they're very nice style. A little southwestern.
Wood heel and a leather sole.
The leather is a little bit of rough shape, but that actually is stylish right now.
Yeah.
And they have this interesting shaped heel. I don't know the purpose of that heel exactly. Does it have something to do with riding?
Well, they're different style. Cowboy boots are different style. Usually, I would probably say this is a Cuban style heel, which is usually undercut a little bit. There's other styles which are cut a little bit less or are straight down. So I will have to look these up.
Yeah. Leather conditioner and some edge coating will make these look a ton better.
Anyway, this will be fun because I'm not familiar with this, and if you're not either, we'll have to look these up and see what they are.
Yeah, so, wow.
Yeah.
Much better than the last box.
Yes.
Holy cow, what a difference.
So our last two boxes, we probably covered the other box in the other video. However, we'll go over it again so we can talk about out of our last three boxes, we did what? The first one, we sold a pair for 160. We sold a pair for 23, 25, and then
45.
$45.
There may be some other ones that got sold in there. I have to go back and look, but those 4 pairs for sure sold. I still have boots to list, and we have a couple more pairs on there. We have one damaged, the Stuart Whiteman horse fit loafers. We donated those because they were damaged, and then 3 pairs that were unbranded, lower quality. So we just donated those.
Yeah. So we definitely got our money back on that box. These now cost about $90. They've gone up a few.
Oh yeah.
So the last box, we are thinking we may get our money back. We'll have to see. If you watch that prior video to this one, if you go to our playlists, you can find it. We're actually wearing the same clothes as we are today. Imagine that. We actually got 2 boxes on one day. So we did 2 videos.
Yeah. Yeah, so what do we have for the future? We'd like to know what you'd like for the future. Let us know below if you've done Thredup boxes, what your experience was, what was your favorite pair. Comment, like, subscribe, all of that helps us out, and we are going to improve our background because we're talking about painting that wall because it's pretty bland.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys have a great weekend.